if I talk about our childhood, we didn't get a chance. Like nowadays, there are advocate resources where we can, showing up ourselves, because at that time we didn't have resources where we connected with others or we can show ourselves. Nowadays people have much knowledge, they have skills, no matter what skills they have, but if they have any skills like a culinary skills, communication skills, any skill, they can show their self, because now in social media they can upload their videos, and even they are becoming famous nowadays. Hi, good afternoon, Sweta.
Okay, good afternoon. Give me 1 minute. All right. So, can
Yeah,
we have an introduction so we can know
yeah,
what it's you? Yeah.
okay. So, my name is Meenakshi. So, I'm from Punjab, specifically from Jalandhar city. It's my city. And as for my education, I completed my master's degree in 2018 in my native language, Punjabi. So, yeah, and even I have 8 years of experience working as GIC executive, but I quit my job in 2020. Actually, I blessed with baby daughter, so there was nobody to take care of her. So I quit my job. So since 2022 till now, I am homemaker, managing the household chores and taking care of her. So yeah, simultaneously I am working on my communication skills. That's all about me.
So,
Hmm.
all right. I'm also telling you about
Hmm.
myself. My name is Sweta,
Hmm.
and I'm from West Bengal. I've completed my graduation, and currently I'm doing masters in second year. And I have a YouTube channel with us, English Lifestyle, where I'm working for English language and learning. I'm teaching. I teach online and offline, and completely trying to be a YouTuber right now these days because this is like my part of a life, or you can say a part of my life. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. And yes, I'm improving myself day by day and enhancing
Hmm.
my, yeah, that's all about me, or that's pretty much about me. Thank you.
Great, great. That's fantastic. I can say, if I talk about our childhood, we didn't get a chance. Like nowadays, there are advocate resources where we can, showing up ourselves, because at that time we didn't have resources where we connected with others or we can show ourselves. Nowadays people have much knowledge, they have skills, no matter what skills they have, but if they have any skills like a culinary skills, communication skills, any skill, they can show their self, because now in social media they can upload their videos, and even they are becoming famous nowadays, right? So in a very young age, I appreciate you that you are doing very well, because of these resources. I can say other people can understand, other people can easily learn anything, because
Mm-hmm.
even our listening, because when we have listening resources, right, while doing, like if a housewife, she is doing something, at the time she just plug in their headphones, listen any video, any podcast, conversational videos, she can improve herself, right? So I think it is a very you are putting very much efforts, but who just listen, they do not put much efforts, right? But they can learn many things from the video, from the conversation, learn new words, vocabulary, and they can improve their, or they can enhance their knowledge, can say, right?
Sure.
Hmm.
However, I feel that these days I need motivation. Sometimes I feel not
Hmm.
demotivated, but still
Hmm.
like I think sluggish or lethargic. Sometimes I feel like, oh, every single day the same thing I need to do. And then the weather is also cloudy today, so I was
Hmm.
feeling sluggish and I didn't want to make conversation with you today.
Hmm.
But as I told you yesterday as well, we didn't connect. So today I wanted to give you a chance to speak. And also, I feel that this is my work, and as my strong
Hmm.
motivation I have in myself. So for that, I need to wake up,
Hmm.
and then again I need to make videos. Initially, when I connected to you, I was thinking, oh, today I didn't want to speak. Actually, my mood was not to speak up.
Hmm.
But still, I connected to you that time. Even you noticed that I was fumbling. No, I was
Hmm.
fumbling. So that's the reason, maybe, or energy. That energy I'm not getting, maybe. Or today is like maybe I wanted to just casually spending time, and the weather is cloudy, so that's the reason. But I think it's really great when I speak that time I really feel energetic. Now I'm feeling energetic, and you are also giving me that vibe, so that's great.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's very hard to motivate ourselves every day. It's not possible. Sometimes
Mm-hmm.
we get demotivated because of some reason. Sometimes we exhausted after doing a lot of work. But yeah, I think now, like, you are doing something, you are uploading your videos regularly, and you know that after uploading videos, you feel something that, yeah, today I did something in day. Like, yeah, something like that. I can say when you do something in your life, automatically you charge up, right?
Yeah, yeah, absolutely. And you
Hmm.
know what is happening day by day? We are working hard, and people are working hard on YouTube. It is definitely there, right?
Hmm.
But I feel in English community, I don't know why it happens. Like people are not getting that much views as per their, um, I would say their hard work. Like I'm putting hard work a lot. I would say like day by day, completely. I am indulging myself on YouTube, and apart from YouTube, we can't think anything. Once you get into a
Hmm.
YouTube channel, or when once your brain has, um, like just walking for English, like once you get to know about YouTube and you need to work, or you are completely devoted for YouTube and your work, that time it affects a lot, and we feel that okay, am I working in a correct way or not? Or is it fine or not that people are not appreciate, like they are appreciating definitely, but still the way we are improving and also helping people and also creating content, it should be quite visible but not happening. And especially it happens in
Okay.
English community, or you can say conversational videos are not working that much. And I feel wanting that in conversational videos, people learn a lot, and they are improving their English. They have been improving. They have been starting speaking. So that
Hmm.
is the big point in English learning. Practically, we are speaking, we are sharing about our experience and our learning, and
Hmm.
a lot of things are there, right? So people
Hmm.
are getting understand, they are get to know about ourselves, and at the same time experience and what we are doing and how we are becoming trainer or teacher. When like I started since from the scratch, and I was a
Hmm.
like I was a student, I didn't know about English language. I studied in Bengali medium. Then again I started my journey with learning, and I started teaching. Right now I am teaching. So that's how my journey is. But still, in English community, I think we need to do a lot of hard work. I don't know why people are not reaching to us, or people need this, but I don't know. Algorithm, YouTube algorithm doesn't work for that, maybe, or it will
Hmm.
take a lot of time. I have uploaded more than 200 videos, long content, and
Hmm.
that, yeah, people upload 10 videos or 5 videos in another niche, and they reach out easily. Actually, what I'm saying here that we are helping people and connecting to viewers and audience, or you can say subscribers, right? So
Hmm.
it should be reach out so that more people can learn and also we can get motivation. So
Hmm.
that is, I think, required, but I don't know. I'm sharing just my
Yeah.
thoughts. Today I was thinking about
Hmm.
that.
No, I understand your point very well, but I can say, your hard work definitely pay you back, right? One day. So I think you don't bother about it very much. If you are putting efforts, if you are doing something for someone, it depends on your destiny too, right? Because your hard work definitely give you something, but it depends on the time. I think nowadays a lot of people
Mm,
creating content, a lot of people, like doing any multiple tasks, I can say nowadays. But if I talk about the feedback or subscriber, I think we don't bother about it. At least you are doing efforts, you are doing something in your life meaningful, right?
mm.
So
Yeah,
yeah.
absolutely. That is right. That is there always. But
Hmm.
if you are like working hard and you have been doing for
Hmm.
years, like I have completed recently 1 year, and that then
Hmm.
definitely you will think that okay, I think that should be there something, and it should be like visible to people a lot. It should be actually, this is required, and it is because like it is year, and when we
Hmm.
complete year, and then how much you will think about only like how many times you think that okay, like now we can only just make videos, we can improve, and we can no at sometimes like, or eventually it will come to your mind that okay, what is
Hmm.
this? This is a YouTube platform, so where we are working hard and it should be visible, I feel so.
No,
Ultimately,
no, I
after a
think.
year,
Mhm. Yeah,
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 in
you will
that's completely
definitely.
fine because
Hmm.
we are a like we are I'm a student, and working hard to teach people and making videos, all these things we are doing, I'm doing, but still we
Hmm.
feel insecurity because we are not doing job and we are not having a government job or anything like which is permanent, right? So for that reason, sometimes I feel that is it okay that I am doing like a lot of people are doing, or am I going to be sustained or not? That
No,
happens
no.
sometimes.
No. Suggest you should, continue your journey. Don't quit
Mhm.
it. It's only their 1 year, right? It's not, I think, who they become successful in their life. They didn't put efforts only 1 year or 2 year. I think it's all about the 10 years, 20 years. Sometimes people took a lot of, what should I say, like multiple tasks when they did, and after that they get success, not
Mhm.
before, right? So you are putting your efforts. So I think you should continue, you should continue your journey. And, I think I don't know, you read the book Atomic Habits or not. In the, I think, first or second page in the book, written by James Clear, right? Atomic
And
Habits. And in that book, yesterday just I read a one page where I get motivated after reading only one page. And the author said that even, imagine, like in your room, a ice cube just sitting on the table in front of you, and the room temperature is all about 25 degrees, right?
Mhm.
And the room temperature is 25 degree, and you can see your breath too at that time. But after some time you can see the temperature is increasing, but the ice cube just stayed there. Like, so the temperature is increasing, is 26, 27, 28, 29, even 30, but the ice cube still here. Okay, there is no improvement, the ice cube is not starting melting. start
Mm-hmm.
melting, right? But as soon as the temperature increasing and it's all about 31 degree, the ice cubes start melting.
Melting.
But it's not all about only the 31 degree, the whole degrees included in that, right? So it's not your efforts only 1 year. I think you will get success after 4 years, 5 years, but without accepting. If you
Mm-hmm.
accept something from people, from others, I think you get demotivated soon, right?
Mm-hmm.
But
Mm-hmm.
so if you're putting efforts with your your immense happiness, when you feel, I can say, when you doing your hard work with your inner self, right, then you can putting efforts happily, right?
Absolutely.
Even I also give message myself. I didn't know like how to start my journey, how to, it is not possible for me to speak in English with anyone, right?
Mm-hmm.
But when I start learning, gradually I see a significant changes in myself.
Mm-hmm.
I vividly remember a day when I need help from my manager to speak with foreigners. Where I did job actually in backend department, I worked as a GIC executive in immigration office, and sometimes we have to talk with foreigners when some any student gets stuck, GIC certificate stuck. That time we have to talk with foreigners, and after talking with them, I stuck and I talked to my manager, ma'am, I am sorry, I'm not able to talk them. Could you please help me? Could you please talk them? I am not able to speak. That time I felt that how much English is important in our life.
Mm-hmm.
Right. So even nowadays, I see that if you speak in this language, people treat you as a superior.
Yeah.
I think you
Right.
also feel, right?
You
So
right.
I
Yeah.
think if you learn something, if you are learning something, if you are putting efforts, one day
Mm.
you will be shine. Anyhow,
Yeah.
anywhere
Yeah.
you will get success. Hmm. Even I
Mm.
get connected with you today. Why? Because I, watch your videos. I see, yeah, she is, speak very well English. Why shouldn't I speak with her? Right. So I
Yeah.
think somehow when we do efforts, somewhere we, some people, not everyone, but
Mm-hmm.
I think out of 100, at least 10 people familiar with you, or they love watching your videos. They learn, they wait
Yeah.
to your, new videos, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Hmm.